Hello friends and welcome back to Edureify YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So before starting this video, I want to tell you that today this video is going to be for students who want to apply for their JEE Main 2022 examination. And the good news is this, that registrations will be starting soon. So students, those who don't know what is JEE main exam, so for them, I want to tell you that it's a joint entrance examination for an undergraduate entrance test for BTech admissions. It provides admissions in 31st NITs, 25 IITs, and many other government colleges. So for the JEE एग्जाम क्रैक करने के लिए आपका जो सक्सेस मंत्रा है वो क्या होना चाहिए? इट शुड बी डेफिनेटली सेल्फ स्टडी, बिकॉज सेल्फ स्टडी के बिना आप कोई भी एग्जामिनेशन क्रैक नहीं कर सकते. So while doing this self study, you want one partner with you, and that could be Edureify. So as you can see on my screen, I have already opened edureify.com, in which we are going to have some preparations regarding our JEE exam. So coming to JEE section, so Edureify is providing you three passes for doing your preparations. One is your quarterly pass, which is of 2,999. Other is of 6 month pass, which is of 4,999, and yearly pass of 6,999. They provide the features of learn, practice, concept card, live game, quick test, live classes, interactive quizzes, and many more. So, how you can start your studies with Edureify? Let's get into it. So, students, before starting video of how we have to go for the learn, I just wanted you to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon so that further हमारे जितने भी videos बन रहे हैं उसका notification आप तक पहुंच जाए. So, we'll select our subject, maths, and chapter, a plane. Okay, so here we have the learn. There is nothing like you have to take this subscription for using this app. There is unlimited number of test series which you can use free of cost. So this topic covers equation of a plane, important point X, examples, sides of a plane, and much more. So what is the equation of a plane? You can see it here. You can check your learning pace. So this is your pace and this is the expected pace. So आपको अभी ये gap fill करना है. And the time which you have devoted, it's this. You are currently on second topic comprising of 22 topics. Once this explanation is finished and you want to move on to the other topic, just click on the next button and you will switch to another topic. So friends, don't waste a time and do your self study with Edureify. ये आप Edureify हमारी जो ऐप है ये आपको गूगल प्ले स्टोर पे इजीली मिल जाएगी. आप वहाँ से इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और यूज़ कर सकते हैं. हमारी वेबसाइट है edureify.com. आप वहाँ पे भी जाकर के JEE एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं. सो Edureify करो, पढ़ाई करो. थैंक यू.